Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Children, this is your My English book. Now open your English book and go to page number 28. Today we are going to learn O vowel story. First of all, you tell me what is the sound of O? Yes, its sound is O. Do you want to listen the story? Yes? Okay, let's start. There is a little boy who is sleeping in a cot. His mother is cooking food in a hot pot. His dog is sleeping in a box. He gets up and starts playing with the top. From the window, he sees a fox sitting on a log. He takes up the rod and runs after the fox. The fox run away. What have you learned in this story? We have learned O vowel words. Okay, let's revise. Fox, log, pot, hot, box, dog, coat, top, boy, rod. Do practice at your home. Thank you.